As we dive into the age of AI, it's fascinating to consider the seismic shifts happening in marketing. Imagine a world where data isn't just collected but analyzed in real time, allowing brands to understand their customers on an unprecedented level. AI is transforming the way we approach consumer behavior, enabling hyper-personalization that feels almost intuitive. Think about it. Traditional marketing often relied on broad demographics, but now, AI can sift through mountains of data to identify microsegments. This means that a brand can tailor its messaging to a specific group of individuals, even down to their preferences and behaviors. It's like having a personal shopper who knows exactly what you want before you even say it. And let's talk about content creation. AI tools are already assisting marketers in generating everything from blog posts to social media updates. These tools can analyze trending topics, optimize for SEO, and even suggest the best times to post. This doesn't mean that creativity is dead. Rather, it's evolving. Marketers can focus on strategy and storytelling while AI handles the heavy lifting of data analysis and content distribution. Moreover, customer service is being revolutionized by AI chatbots. These bots can engage with customers 24/7, answering questions and resolving issues instantly. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also frees up human agents to tackle more complex problems. Imagine a world where your brand is always available, creating a seamless experience that builds loyalty and trust. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As marketers, we must navigate the ethical implications of AI. Data privacy is a hot topic, and consumers are becoming increasingly aware of how their information is used. Transparency will be key. Brands that prioritize ethical AI practices will not only comply with regulations, but also build stronger relationships with their customers. Looking ahead, we'll see a blend of human creativity and AI efficiency. The best marketing strategies will leverage AI insights while maintaining a human touch. It's about finding that balance, using AI to enhance our capabilities without losing the essence of what makes marketing relatable and authentic. In this new landscape, agility will be crucial. The ability to pivot quickly based on AI-driven insights will separate the leaders from the laggards. Brands that can adapt to changing consumer preferences and market dynamics will thrive. So, what does the future hold? It's a thrilling time to be in marketing. Embracing AI isn't just about keeping up. It's about leading the charge into a new era of innovation. The possibilities are endless, and those who harness the power of AI will not only survive but flourish in this dynamic environment.